Everything came in this cute bag that you can store it away. We have different attachments, flat feeder, dough hook, and whisk, and a little spatula. And this bag has a divider where you have your mixer and all the attachments in here. So as far as what buttons we have, turn on or off right here. This is a turbo start. And you have different speeds that you can adjust with this button. This top button to release the... I got ganache here that I'm gonna put into macaroon cookies, and I need to whip it just a little bit. So we're gonna test this mixer. This is the little spatula that came with it. So I don't know if it's like heat resistant since it came with the mixer. So I would assume this is intended to help you with any of the dough, cream, whatnot. And for the turbo button, you just press on and it goes to high speed, and as you release, it just stops.